mes amis. Alors, vous voulez écouter un autre chanson? Un autre chanson! D'accord, qu'est-ce que c'est ça? Please play Jacqueline. It's not on the set list. It's not on the set list. But would you like to hear it? Okay, let's do that. Let's get all the requests now. Oh, it's too long. We're going to go to the country for that. This one's for you. Jacqueline was 17, working on a desk when I appeared above the spectacle. Forgot that he had wrecked a girl. Sometimes these eyes forget the face they peer from. When the face they peer upon, well, you know, that face is I too. And how in the return of the gaze, she can return you the face that you are staring from.
Fuck, it's in the same key. It's in the same key as the next one. That's perfect. Thank you very much. Merci beaucoup. Ça, c'est très bon. I've got quite a few friends in tonight. I want to dedicate this one to Alice because you've been a really good friend. Thank you, Alice. Well, here we go with riff. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and... That the songs that come and go, I don't really
in the ceiling with a stitching gone. So you rip a little hard until that rip becomes a run. Feel the fabric of existence. I come and smile. We hate it, we don't care. Could be standing way out where you make it half the reason till you run. Please don't run. Don't stop feeling audacious. There's no one to save us, so just carry on. Don't go blaming the neighbors. You know they're the same as we should just get on. Get on. With a 17th cigarette in my hand, the rain fell low as I was standing over the river stand with exasperated feelings, man. Hey ho, you don't know. Is it a joke? No, I said no. I'm serious, more serious than I've ever been, ever been. So don't stop feeling audacious. There's no one to save us, so just carry on. Don't go blaming the neighbors. You know they're the same as we should just run. Get on. Did you ever get the feeling that something come undone? No revealing of a reason to carry on when hey, it's there, waiting just in there, ready, trying to come along, along. So don't stop feeling audacious. See, I'm not everywhere. They say just carry on. No, there's just not to save us. Don't get any favors. We should just get on. Get on with it. Merci, merci, merci. Yes, sir, coach. What are these from judgment back into the flock? Another mangy pigeon pecking at the crumbs from the bones of George Square. Anonymous, anonymous is no one. No, the birds don't care. Birds don't care what the birds have done. But this one's here, oh, that one's gone. We all do things that we wish we hadn't done. Yeah, thank you for accepting me despite what I have done.
mes amis de Paris. Alors, mes amis de Paris. You know, I'm going to speak to you in English for the last bit, just for my own personal treat. Alors, j'adore. I love the sound. J'adore le sound. I love the noise, the bruit. I love the noise that you make tonight. And I want to hear you make that noise. I want to hear you make cette bruit de la cigale. I want to hear you make that noise. Pour la femme, pour the woman who plays the drums tonight. Audrey Tay! Come on. Allons-y. Come on. Et encore, l'homme ici, the man who plays the electric guitar. Avec la guitare électrique, il s'appelle Tino Bordel! Come on! And then sur la basse, Robert Hardy! Come on! And then the man who plays everything. L'homme qui joue tout. Il s'appelle Julian Curry! Et moi, et moi, et moi, et moi, et moi, et moi. Je m'appelle Alex Ferdinand. Le nom de ce groupe, the name of this band is Franz Ferdinand. Et vous, mes amis, les mecs, les gens, le caractère de la cigale! Paris! La France! Allez! Allons-y! Eyes, they're burning away to me. Paralyzed, destroying so sweetly. But now, there is a fire with me. Fire that burns. This fire is out of control. Burn this city, burn this city. This fire is out of control. Burn this city. This fire is out of control. Burn this city. The fire is out of control. Burn this city. Set fire, right of control. Set fire, out of control. Set fire, we're out of control. Set fire, out of control again. Set Paris, out of control again. Set fire, we're 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 out of control again. Yes, I will. Burn it down. Burn it down. Burn it down. Burn it down. Alors, les amis, j'ai une petite question pour vous. En anglais, are you with me tonight? Vous êtes avec moi, avec nous ce soir. Vous êtes avec nous ce soir. Vraiment, c'est vrai pour moi aussi. Je suis là. Je suis là. Et maintenant, nous faisons un petit quelque chose ensemble. Allez, devant. Allez, devant. Take it down. Take it right down. Take it right down. C'est beau. C'est beau. Design, pouring away. Our life, showing so sweet. But now, there is a fire